Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, I can write the value of f naught is equal to 1 by 25d, which is equal to 0.04 meter, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Power of the eyepiece is equal to 5d. As we all know that focal length of eyepiece is equal to 1 by p, which is equal to 1 by 5d, which is equal to 0.2 meter, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Now the lens formula is given by 1 by BE is equal to 1 by UE plus 1 by FE. On further simplification, I can write 1 by UE is equal to 1 by BE minus 1 by FE. On solving it further, I can write 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by 20 is equal to minus 4 plus 5 by 100. So this is the equation. So on simplification, I can write the value of UE is equal to minus 100 by 9, which is equal to 11.11 centimeter. Now let U0 and V0 be the object and image distance for objective lens. So image distance V0 is equal to L minus U0. So B naught is equal to 30 minus 11.11 centimeter, which is equal to 18.89 centimeter. Let it be equation 1. Now I can use the formula 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by B naught minus 1 by F naught. Simplifying it further, I can write it as 1 by 18.89 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus 0.197. On simplification, I can write the value of U naught. On simplification, I can write the value of U naught as minus 5.07 centimeter. Let it be equation number 2. Maximum magnifying power is equal to V naught by U naught multiplication 1 plus D by Fe, which is equal to minus 18.89 by minus 5.07 multiplication 1 plus 25 by 20, which is equal to 3.7225 multiplication 2.25, which is equal to 8.376 as the answer.